How to scan untrusted apps in your device. Just open IGT Security for smartphone, then scroll down, come to Smart App Scanner. Click here, then click on Start Full Device Scanner. As you see, it's analyzing application. The first application is dangerous. Be careful about this. We have different color. This is red color. That is dangerous. Second color is, how can I say this? Is this a purple? Yes. The third one here is this one, laws. See? Next here is scroll. Next color is yellow. You see? Yellow. Each one has the meanings. Next is red, green. So let me explain about this. The first app which show dangerous, immediately you must uninstall, remove this application into your device. But here there is a device, say potential spyware pattern detected, high risk, permission from unknown resource, action recommended, immediately removal of isolation in secure vault is advised. As you see, if your phone is not for organization, if this APK is not from your organization or from your company, or just if it's unknown, immediately you must uninstall this application because it's showing the red in dangerous. You see, you can even delete it through here immediately. Then scroll down. This color is for hidden apps. Some small apps which is invisible to our eyes but is installed in device. Don't delete it if you are not a developer, because sometimes you can delete even built-in Android system app. So don't delete any app which show hidden, except if you are a developer. And then go to next. This is laws. Is showing unknown resources. This is app from unknown resource, not from Play Store. Installed from an unverified source outside of Play Store. This application can cause even problems, so you must delete it, uninstall it, and install it from Play Store. Then scroll down to next color, to yellow. This yellow color is showing high permission. High permission. Verified app using multiple sensitive permission. This app is from Play Store but accesses many sensor data into a trust developer. Meaning that you can even choose to uninstall or remove this application, or click here to check its permission, because it is using high permission. Which high permission? First is internet, right, external storage, like to delete, to change names of your file in devices, access network state, vibrate, and get accounts. It get account informations, read profile, read contacts, read calendar, write calendar, manage account, authenticate account, read settings. You see, this application is from Play Store but is using high permission, is requesting too many permissions, sometimes which is not required. So that's the way it's showing in yellow color. So scroll down, let's go to next. Next is verified. You see, in red, this is verified application which is known and trusted by many companies or many device user. You see, that's is verified. So that's how you can secure your device through this application. Make sure you uninstall, delete all application which is showing yellow if you don't use it, which is showing red that is application is untrusted. So watch next part.